In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the error code LS-0013 in Fortnite. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Now find the Epic Games Launcher application or the Fortnite application, click on it and click on End Task. Okay, so Fortnite is not opened for me, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. And now you can close the task manager, and what you want to do is open this PC, go to local disk C, open the program files folder, open the Epic Games folder, go to Fortnite, open the Fortnite game folder, go to binaries, go to Win64, and now what you want to do is scroll down until you find these 4 applications, and now just right click on the first one, so Fortnite client Win64 shipping, go to the properties, go to the compatibility tab, and make sure that the run this program as an administrator is unchecked. So if it's checked, then what you want to do is to uncheck it. Okay, and now you can click on apply and click on OK, and do the same thing for the rest of the 3 applications. So right click on Fortnite client Win64 shipping.be, go to the compatibility tab, and as you can see it's not checked, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Go to the Fortnite client Win64 shipping EAC, go to the compatibility tab and uncheck it, and open the Fortnite launcher, go to the properties, go to the compatibility tab and uncheck it. Once you're done, you can now close the Win64 folder and just open Fortnite, and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped, and bye.